Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TP-Link Deco for secure smart home networks. Complete guide step. Begin by unboxing your TP-Link Deco unit. Ensure you have all the components, including the Deco units, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. Choose a central location in your home to set up the first Deco unit. Connect the Deco unit to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the Deco unit. Wait for the LED light to begin blinking blue, indicating it's ready for setup. Download the TP-Link Deco app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a TP-Link account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts in the app to start the setup process. Select the Deco model you are setting up from the list provided. Once the app detects the Deco unit, tap on Next to proceed. Choose your preferred Wi-Fi name and password for your smart home network. Confirm the settings, and the app will begin configuring the Deco unit. Wait for the setup process to complete, which may take a few minutes. After setup is complete, the LED should light up solid blue. If you have additional Deco units, repeat the process for each, connecting them wirelessly or via Ethernet as desired. Place the additional units in strategic locations throughout your home for optimal coverage. Return to the TP-Link Deco app to manage your network settings. Enable security features such as parental controls and network access control. Customize settings to ensure your smart devices are secure and properly configured. Monitor your network and connected devices from the app for any unusual activity. Update your firmware if prompted for improved performance and security. Your TP-Link Deco is now activated, providing a secure and robust smart home network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.